3 tips to help you do paid online marketing campaigns better. Hi guys, it's Sam Day here from DeyTips.com, and in this video I'm speaking about paid marketing campaigns and 3 things you can do to help you run your paid campaigns even better. Now, I get a ton of emails all of the time saying, Sam, what can I do? I'm thinking about starting paid marketing campaigns, but I don't know where to start, or I've done Facebook ads, or I've done an advertisement on Twitter and it didn't really convert, or it didn't make me any sales. What should I do? Now, my very first tip is to stick to one platform. Now, I know it's tempting. There's so many platforms out there that you can use to actually start generating traffic and leads and sales into your business. But when it comes to generating traffic, you really need to figure out what is your strength and work to that. If you're really good at creating videos, then you might want to do video ads, for example. If you're not that great at doing videos, then you might want to do text-based ads and maybe have an image up and then promote yourself on Facebook. But you also want to take a look at and really start to think about, where are your target audience spending their time on the internet? If they're spending their time on Facebook, then you need to be marketing on Facebook. If you're trying to reach a younger demographic, then maybe using Instagram ads is a better option for you. But either way, you really want to define who your target market is and where they are actually spending their time online, and advertise in those platforms. And also just pick one platform. There's, for example, enough traffic on Google ads to really set you up. So if you only focused on Google ads, then and you did that really well, then that's going to be probably bringing you in enough business for you to just focus on that. And likewise, if you're just putting ads out on Instagram, then if you really perfect that, then you're going to be probably producing enough traffic, leads and sales for it to just make sense for you to just focus on that. So don't get overwhelmed with all of the platforms. Really learn and understand one particular platform really well. So what I'm going to be doing over the next couple of weeks and months on this channel is actually going through each and every traffic source. I'm going to be going through Facebook. I'm going to be going through Google, and we're going to be going through Bing ads. I'm going to be going through YouTube video ads. So if you're not subscribed to this channel, make sure you are, and click the bell notification button as well, because depending on what platform you choose, then one of those videos is going to really resonate with you and help you along your way to actually creating successful online ads. My second tip is to really be super focused on the fact that when you first put out your ad, you might not necessarily break even or make a profit. So you might not necessarily break even or make a profit. You're literally buying data. You're seeing what works. You're seeing what doesn't work. So don't expect to make sales when the very first time you put out an ad, or even if you do make sales, don't expect necessarily to break even or make a profit. You're buying and you're seeing what works, and you have to be willing to actually invest money and invest time to really learn in what works on that particular platform to your particular target audience. Be prepared to actually test different things. I've done videos in the past about A/B testing, and I'll leave some of links in the description down below to A/B testing and what that is and why you should be doing it. But essentially, you're going to have to test some of your adverts before you really start seeing profitable results. So be prepared to have I call it a buying data budget. Be prepared to have that, so that you're investing money into learning what works, and once you figure out what works, then you can actually put more money against it and really start generating some finances for your business. You also want to be super focused on your conversion rates. So you want to know how many people it takes from one particular traffic source in order to convert a sale or a lead. You really need to know your numbers when it comes to doing paid advertisements. So you should, when you're going through your first couple of days or weeks doing your paid advertisement campaigns, you should be obsessed with learning, okay, how well is my campaign performing? How well is it converting when I send 100 people to the page? How many of those 100 people are converting into leads or into sales? So you should really understand that, because the better you know your numbers when you're doing your paid marketing campaigns, when you're starting to scale up and spend really big dollars or pounds against your marketing campaigns, then you know exactly what to expect back in return. So you're not kind of just gambling your money away, but you actually know and understand your numbers and how well it's converting, and you can use those statistics in your favor when you're doing your paid marketing campaigns. And lastly, you should be obsessed with building your list with your paid marketing. Now, this goes for whether you're sending people to a landing page purely to get their name and email address, or if you're sending them directly to a product. You should be doing some sort of follow-up email list series. And I've got some email marketing videos on this channel, and I'll be leaving some in the description down below to this video. So make sure you go and watch those. But email marketing is super important when doing paid marketing, because you might actually lose money on the front end or break even on the front end when you're doing your paid marketing campaigns, but you can make a profit via your follow-up. So if you're following up with people, and if you're sending out emails and keeping up that communication with your list and with your leads, then there's a possibility that you can actually turn a campaign that is just breaking even, or a campaign that's not profitable, into all of a sudden a campaign that is profitable, because you've been following up with people who have either bought a product or who have left their information for you to follow up with them and to contact them. So I'm going to be doing some videos later on down the line as well about paid marketing. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and click the bell notification button so you don't miss those videos when they go live. Also, I have a free download for you, which is called The Formula, and this is the formula to generating sales online. If you have not downloaded that yet, then please go and download it. As you can see, there's a copy behind me, but you can also download it. There's in the description down below. So make sure you click that and grab yourself a copy. But hopefully this video helped you out, and if it did, please click the like button down below and make sure you share this video with a friend. If you have any additional questions or comments, then leave them for me in the comment section. But until next time, watch some of my other great videos. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more awesome business related content. Have a great day, and I will see you soon.